Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on fetch.ai. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that fetch.ai broke out a quite long down channel on the daily time frame chart and it was moving down to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it's dropped down at this support and moved slightly down than this support here. You can see that almost re-entered the same channel. But here now you can see that we have some extra touch points. Therefore, we can now adjust this trend line of this channel like this, and we need to wait for this trend line to be broken out, and this can be the new support according to this down channel. And right now you can see that the price line is also testing this quite long-term support zone, very strong support zone that starts from $1.10 and goes to $1.03. Previously it had been breaking a support zone here, support zone here, support zone here, and now again for the past few days it is breaking as a support. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive rally on this 7 days time frame chart. You can see that after the breakout from this red, the price and rallied very well. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this side, then you can see that it was more than 6,500%, very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for fetch.ai, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 15th of July 2024. And you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of fetch.ai. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this quite long channel. By the way, previously I was following this resistance in this way. And here you can see that we had some extra touch points here. Therefore, I've just adjusted this trend line and still it is moving inside this channel. And right now you can see that fetch.ai is testing this quite significant support zone that starts from $1.10 and goes to $1.03. Previously, it had been working a support zone here and support zone here and support zone here. And now here, after the breakout, it is again breaking a support zone for the past several days. So it is possible that while moving between this support zone and the resistance of the channel, and after getting squeezed, the price will soon break the resistance of the channel. Or if the price will break down this support zone, then it can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 60 cents, where we have another quite long-term support. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 60 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and for a few weeks it had been breaking as a support here and as a resistance here as well, and almost as a resistance here in the month of April 2022 as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this channel, the technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel at $3.48. And now if we take a look at this 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout as well. And I was telling you that after the breakout, the technical target will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1.30 to $1.50. And you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target. And this was almost a more than 6,500% very massive rally. But here you can see that we have found a very long-term resistance zone from $3.12 and goes to $3.48. And for a few weeks, the price had been rejected, got stuck inside this channel. And now after the breakout from this channel, if the price hits this target at the top of the channel, then it can also try to break out this long-term resistance zone. And if the price will be able to break out this resistance zone that starts from $3.12 and goes to $3.48, then this long-term resistance zone will be flipped into a long-term support zone, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.